So we have a beautiful knob cane. Nice piece of burl. I think this was pine or spruce burl found near the ocean. Well seasoned. That's going to have some nice colors to it. Did a little transition piece. This is going to be a bit darker, some lighter wood, darker band here. All on a nice piece of cedar, super lightweight. Nice shape here. That fits into your hand perfectly, so really easy to walk with. Good support, and it's got a little twist to it here. A little bend makes it kind of neat. Nice, still sturdy though. Put my full weight on it, can't even make a bend in it, so pretty happy with that. Gonna do a little teak oil finish. Let's see what that turns into. Little piece of cotton here. Very curious on how this burl's gonna turn out. It's got some wild grain to it. Oh, that's nice. This transition piece came out like we wanted, a little darker bands. And all those colors go very well together. This will darken up a little bit as the oil dries, but it makes a nice contrast to that topper. Let me finish up, and then we'll put on a little bit of either wax or polyurethane. Haven't decided yet. And a slight design change. I darkened up the bottom of the stick. I just put a dark brown stain on it. I think that goes better than the original color. I think that's blending together nicely. And then again, look at that grain of the burl. So there you have it. Beautiful burl topper. This is after 3 coats of polyurethane. I thought the shine really helps out. So we have a nice, beautiful topper. Good shape for the hand. Fits right in there. Very comfortable on the palm. A couple of scraps of wood just to add a nice transition piece. And then we eventually stained this a little darker. It's a piece of cedar, I believe, so super lightweight, but I thought it did a lot better with this dark brown stain. All little tiny 5/8 rubber foot. Nice curve to it. Good height. Hope you enjoyed the build. Hope you like the way this burl came out. I thought, one, very hard, polishes up nicely. So this one's going to last a long time. Very, very beautiful grain. It's just wild looking. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Really helps the analytics of the video and helps this get across to more people. So thanks a lot.